What's up everyone, it's Ms Kendra from McBee and we're out here taking some sun, trying to teach y'all how to play these games that are coming in your bags so we can go ahead and take these games out. I was trying to play it and it is definitely testing my patience. The point of the game is to try to get as many of the little balls stuck, like holding on those little holes that you see on there. So the most that I've been able to do was 3. So let's see if you can do more than 3 and challenge your family, challenge your friends. Let me see if I can get this. Alright, so the most I've been able to do is 3. Oh no! Well, 2 now. So let's see how many you can do. Enjoy the game. Until next time.